Before we begin, let's have a quick recap about what linear perspective is. Linear perspective is a way of alluding to depth, creating an artificial space in the portrait. If you reach out and touch a painting, not only will somebody get very cross, if you touch your screen or iPad, you'll just touch your screen or iPad. Depth is alluded to by the use of these parallel lines which disappear off into a vanishing point. This vanishing point is usually on the horizon. And as things approach the horizon and vanishing point, they get smaller. Before we get started, we're going to need to try some stuff out. Moving forwards, we are going to need an eraser, a pencil, a ruler, and some paper. Pause this video right now so you can get the stuff if you don't already have it. So we're going to start by making a 1-point perspective cube array. Starting off, we're going to write our names in the top left corner because we're going to scan these in. And your year group. Then, for the sake of making things easy, we're going to put a vanishing point in roughly the middle. For you guys, that just means making a dot. Now we're going to start drawing some squares around it. So starting off, so stop when your array looks something like this. It doesn't matter if they're a little bit out. I mean, mine certainly aren't perfect, and it's not really that important. So the next thing we need to do is draw our perspective lines. So we'll go from the corner of each square and draw them back to the vanishing point. Now to make these squares into cubes, what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to add in some extra lines. So take your ruler again, and we're going to start doing this. We can then take our eraser and start removing these vanishing point lines. And then once you're up to this stage, we'd like you to get rid of the internal lines as well, because we want to see these as solid cubes. Now any lines you accidentally erase, just add them back in. Now when you get up to a point like this, feel free to take a picture or scan it, upload it to your Padlet page, and use the name on the screen.